Timer relays are electrical components used in electrical circuits to control whether a device is on or off for a specified period of time. These relays are designed to keep a device on for a specified period of time or to disable a device for a specified period of time. Timer relays are used in a variety of industrial, automation, and home applications. Here is more information about the working principle of timer relays and the areas they are used. How does timer relay work? Timer relays contain a timer device or circuit, and this timer controls the flow of energy over a specified period of time. Timer relays can operate in two main types. Timer relays include a timer circuit and a switch mechanism. Timer circuit is used to measure and control a certain period of time. This circuit may use potentiometers or other adjustment mechanisms to adjust a specific time period. The switch mechanism controls the output of the timer circuit, and this output is used to turn another electrical device on or off. Timer relays are often used in applications that require precise time measurement. For example, timer relays are used in industrial automation systems, building lighting control, protection of motors, temperature control systems, and many other applications. These relays are very useful in the automation of time-based tasks and time-related operations. Locate the timer relay's control button. The first step is to locate the timer relay's physical control button or adjustment mechanism. This knob can usually be in the form of a potentiometer, time selector knob, or other adjustment mechanism. Select a specific time period. The control knob is used to set a specific time period. This time determines the time the device will remain on or off. Select the desired time by turning the knob or moving it back and forth. Usually this time is measured in seconds, minutes, or hours. Adjust. Time interval. Some timer relays may include multiple buttons or dials for more precise settings. These buttons help you set the time interval in more detail. Set start and end times. The time periods you set determine when the device starts and ends. Make your settings correctly and determine the periods when the device will be on or off. Test and confirm settings. You can run a test on the relay before making your settings. This helps make sure your settings are correct. After confirming the settings, the relay will be ready for use. Please note that it may vary depending on the make and model of your timer relay. Therefore, it is important to read the user manual or follow the manufacturer's instructions. Additionally, interfering with electrical circuits can be dangerous, so you should take the necessary safety precautions and seek the help of a specialist when necessary.